we are not focusing upon the size of bottle, nothing like that. Whatever you have, you can start with that. But here we are trying to learn something. Okay, later on you can implement this sort of thing into any other, maybe glass or any on the canvas. You can use it. You can use this art. And all right, let us just start. So this is the bottle I have, and what I'm going to do is I have this paper. Okay, you can use any paper. Newspaper will also work. Okay, so yes, Anvi, but this is different. This is different. Okay, this bottle art will be different, huh? All right, let me just measure the size of my bottle with this paper. Watch carefully. Okay, I'm just wrapping this paper this way, and I'm measuring the size of my bottle, the circumference in fact. So it should end like this, where the 2 points meet. I will fold the paper this way, that this is the end point. Okay, so that's how I know that this is the circumference here. The paper will fit in the bottle, and I will just cut it. If you do not have scissor, don't worry, you can follow what I'm doing. You can just tear your paper. Okay, because this need not to be perfectly cut or trimmed. Okay, don't worry about that. We will focus upon the design which we are going to make in between. Nandita, what is the issue, dear? Please come again. Meanwhile, I am going to fold my paper this way. See, this is round about, I tell you the size, round about 5 centimeters. Okay. Yes, Devika, you can use white plain sheet, not an issue. Later on, if you do not have a glass or a bottle, then maybe you can use any plastic bottle. Okay, that is also fine. Any of the left cold drink bottle, anything like that you can use. Okay. So, like I said, this is somewhere around 5 centimeters. Okay, and I have 1 second. I'm just going to use 2 layers. Okay. So just this paper, and I have folded twice. Okay. Now I am going to fold it. 1, 2. This is a glass bottle, dear. 3 times I'm going to fold it. Okay. 3. I have folded 3 times. Can you see that? Just 3 times. And then when you fold it, see, it is also up to you, because I am going to use a bit of a bigger stencil size. Okay, to make it visible to you properly. Okay, and when I fold this paper 3 times, and then I'm going to fold it again like this. Okay, and roughly I'm going to make a triangle. This. But you have to be very careful. Okay, do not cut these edges. Okay. Don't worry, Devika, you do not need to color the bottle. If you have transparent bottle, then you're good to go. Because if you color the bottle, then it will take a lot of time to get dried up. So that is why I'm suggesting that whatever kind of bottle you have, you can put dots on that. Okay, but make sure that you choose colors accordingly. Okay. All right. All right. So this is how I am going to cut this paper. See, here and here. Now here you need to use the scissors. Okay. Okay, no problem. Use that plastic bottle. Devika, not an issue, dear. Okay. So try and use the newspaper, guys. Okay. See, this sort of design you will get when you open your paper. You will get something like this. Okay. Okay, Mokshi, see, this is a kind of paper, just a cutting of paper I've taken. Okay, first I um, take the size of my bottle. That's it. This is the perfect size. Okay, that's how the paper will fit in. And this is just temporary. Okay, so don't worry. Yes, Kamlesh, I'm repeating. Don't worry, dear. So rough size paper. This is near about 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter it is. 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter size. And then what I've done, I've just fold this paper 3 times. One, and it already become two. Then when I fold it one, see, this is how I fold it 3 times. Okay, and then again I fold it this way. Then roughly I've made a triangle like this, and I cut the paper in this shape only. Okay, this is roughly I'm telling you. Please make sure that you make at least triangle with the straight lines at least, huh? Because it is going to be our stencil, no? So see, when you open the paper, then you will have this kind of stencil. Okay, so this is the stencil that I'm going to use, and I'm just cutting my paper because I forgot to cut it before. So I'm just cutting it in between now. And what I'm doing now, I'm just wrapping the stencil around the bottle. Okay, that's how I'm just wrapping it around, so that this stencil I'm making just to maintain the symmetry. When you're used to make the dot mandala, or when you're flexible with making the designs, then you do not need to do this step. But since we are beginner and we are just trying to we are just doing it first time, so I'm trying to make it easy for you. Okay, so just half or a 1 centimeter of distance you need to leave. Okay, and wrap your paper like this. And 1 second, let me just paste it with the help of sellotape, because later on anyway I need to peel it off. So just a second, just here it is. Okay, see, you need to be very gentle with your paper now. Okay, this way. Here it is. Okay, so this is the first layer, and then second layer again I'm going to leave 1 centimeter distance and putting the second layer. Now see, if you want, you can put triangle above the triangle, or if you want, you can put your stencil in a way that one triangle comes above the two triangles. Okay, this is totally up to you. Do not get confused with this. Okay, just leave around a centimeter distance and then paste your second stencil. Okay, because if you follow this step now, it will be very easy to put your dots in a right direction in a better way. Otherwise, you'll keep struggling in making the dots. Okay, let me just let me just peel off my sellotape. You can use any sort of tape, whatever you have, whatever is easily available at your place, use that. Okay, so this is the second layer. Okay, so till here I tried to leave the distance of around 1 centimeter. Yes, you can use masking tape, not an issue, dear. But be very gentle. If your bottle is painted, then masking tape might peel off the color. Okay, so be careful with that. Otherwise, not an issue. Masking tape works fine. And then 1 centimeter distance again between these two stencils. All right. So this was the easiest step we have done till now. Okay. And now something more easier is coming across. What is it now? Okay. I'm going to use orange color, yellow, green, and white. Now, nobody will ask that I don't have this color because you are okay to use any sort of any color, whatever is available. Do not worry if you don't have these colors. Okay. Because we are just trying to learn the process. Okay. So these are the colors I'm using. If you are using poster colors, not an issue. And Anvi, this is orange, yellow, green, and white. Just these four. Okay. You can switch colors as per your choice. But today I am considering these colors. Okay. Now let's start. First, I'll start with orange color. So, and I'm going to use the tip, this eraser portion of my pencil. Okay. This portion. Now, what was the rule? If you have attended the last dot mandala class, then what was the rule I taught? The rule was dip and dot, dip and dot. Every time you need to dip and then you make the dot. Okay. Anvi, I'm waiting. No worries. Okay. Yes. Dip and touch, dip and touch. Absolutely right. And this time nobody will break the rule because I am not going to make that particular design with, breaking the rule thing. So don't follow that. Every time you need to dip your tool or whatever you're using to make dots, every time you need to dip and make a dot. Okay. Now, why I asked you to leave this 1 centimeter distance, because I am going to make dots in here. Okay. And this stencil, this distance, this stencil thing, with the help of this, I am going to put my dots in a right direction. All right, Niharika, I'm waiting. I'm doing nothing right now. We are just discussing that which will be our next step. Okay. So just see, dipping and make a dot. Okay. You can cut it. You have to cut it with the help of scissor. Okay, Anvi? Dot. No worries. I'm here only. I'm just making the dots. See, try and learn the techniques. Okay. Don't worry if any of the step miss out, then you can always refer to the tutorial videos. But try to learn the process or the technique that I'm trying to teach you. Okay. See, every time I'm touching with the color, dipping every time and then putting a dot. Because doing this process is important, because this way my dots will be of similar size. Okay. So this way I'm making a design with orange color. If you have any sort of doubt, just keep asking me. I will try to make it as easy as possible. Okay. And here we go. You need to put dots on the complete, circumference. You cannot leave the back portion. Don't do that. Okay. Never do that, in fact. And be bit of, you have to be very patient, because this thing takes time, but when you see the outcome, it becomes very beautiful. Okay. And I think this is my last dot. Okay. Now see, all of them are of similar size. Okay. And again, I'm going to make dots with orange color only. And here. Okay. Just one dot between these two dots. You can leave this step if you're not comfortable in making the second layer. You can leave this step. If you do not have space, then leave it. If you're not comfortable, then also leave it. And those, okay. Oops. All right. This way. If you make any mistake, suppose see, I have this dot is bit, not in a shape, then what will you do? How will you rectify it? You will use an earbud and wipe it off, and then again you can make a dot. Okay? Earbud or cotton, or use cotton only. Do not use paper because it will smudge the color badly and it will stay on that particular area. Okay. See? Lot of dots. No worries, Catherine. Just make this one layer and leave it, okay? Don't worry about the second layer. And I'm leaving it here. This way. I'm going to use this particular tip, this pencil eraser tip, no? Lot of time, because this is the size which I'm willing to have today for today's design. Okay. So, and I know this particular tip can be easily arranged. Prisha, whatever you have, dear, if you have watercolors, then also, watercolors you need to every time make it wet. So if you have acrylic colors, then go ahead with acrylic colors. Otherwise, use watercolors. But you have to manage the consistency as well. It should be a bit of thick. Okay. So moving to the next part, which will be very easy. Ruchi, this tutorial video will be uploaded on YouTube and you can refer to that. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to use this part, the one that I've made, or the one where I've pasted my stencil. Okay. Now watch carefully. In this shape, how am I going to put the dot? At all the corners. Okay. Okay, Hardik. Okay. Here we go. See these 4 dots, and now 1 dot in between these dots. Okay. Make sure you follow the way I'm doing, because if you do it as 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, don't do that way. Okay. First you cover the corners and then rest of the area. One layer, I tell you what I'm going to do next. First you do at least 1 layer. Okay, Devika. Then I tell you what will be the next. I just try to simplify it so that you can make it easily. And the next, So the next, now I am going to use another tip. See, this is my paintbrush and I'm going to use the head of my paintbrush and a small dots like this. Okay, here, right in between these two dots. Okay, here. And if you want, you can fill in as much as dots you want. I mean, it is totally up to you. But here we'll try to achieve a design. Okay. And here also. Okay, the size is getting bigger, but not an issue. And another dot here and here. Okay. Don't worry if you do not get this particular design, but at least you have a surety in your mind that your dots will be right inside this diamond shape. Okay. That is what I would like. That is what the beauty of making this stencil. Okay. Now moving to the next diamond. Watch again those who have missed. This way. First, I'm putting dots here in the corners. Okay. And then in between these two dots, like this. And here. And here. Okay. And if you do not have enough space, then you can, leave it till here only. Okay. Not an issue if you do not have much of space, or if your diamonds are of, small size, then you can leave it till here only. And since I have got space, so I will do it something like this. And a dot in between two dots. You can use your own creativity or whatever design you have inside your mind. You can make your dots accordingly. But here I would only make the designs which will be easier to understand. And again, one dot and one dot. At one point, you will feel that these are random dots. These are not just random dots. These are dots which is well planned. See, a square and then a bigger square and then four dots surrounding to the square. So that's how it seemed to me. Okay, then this is my second, and I'm going to make now design on the third stencil. Sorry, third diamond. Okay. First, making dots in the corners. Okay, if you are flexible, Garv, I'm just repeating the design, dear. Don't worry. Okay. And dots between the two dots. Second. Do not forget to dip it every time, because that step is pretty important. And here we go. Just one dot between the two dots. Okay. And I'm using the tip, which is of a bit bigger size, so that it will be easy to, show you on the screen, and easy to follow the process as well. Okay, so I am done with the 3 diamonds. Okay, and I will just put my bottle like this for a minute to get this right up, because if I start this particular layer, then I might smudge these dots. So I will wait for a minute. Till the time, you can ask your doubts or whatever questions you have in your mind. Okay, I already told you the process of making the stencil. I used a paper of round about 5 centimeters, and then I measured the size of the bottle, the circumference of the bottle. Okay, no problem, Anvi. If you want, you can make the same design. That is totally up to you. No, I will try to make the similar design, Anvi. Okay, and if you want, you can change your design. That's totally up to you. Okay, because of not having because of time limit, no, I need to repeat this particular design only. Otherwise, I would have make more critical design, but because of, okay, I can just do my bottle upside down, and then I can make design in this diamond. Okay, if you now at this point, you need to use your hair dryer. If you have hair dryer, then you can quickly make this dots dry. That is why I asked you to arrange the hair dryer, but no worries. See, I am not using hair dryer because I'm trying to show you that if you do not have hair dryer, that doesn't mean that you cannot proceed further. Okay, you can just do your bottle upside down, and this way, and okay, and bit of small dots this way. You can make dots of your choice this way, and here, here. Okay, just keep making lot of dots, and I will tell you how to show it bit of a complex design. Okay. If you have already attended the last dot mandala class, then I know that you're already aware, but those who did not, I will tell you the trick again. Okay. Just making dot the corners and one dot in between these two dots, that way. And again, following the same process. Here. Here we go, another dot, and then a lot of dots. We will change the color also, okay? Don't worry. This orange might look little boring, but don't worry, we'll change the color. And here we go. Okay, I am trying to make the simplest possible design. Okay, If you're comfortable, then do make other sort of designs. Okay. Do use anything, maybe toothpick to make a bit of minute design. If I want to make bit of detailed design, then I will probably use my dotting tool. And if I don't have dotting tool, then I would prefer to use toothpick or pencil tip. So that is absolutely my choice. But the rule that I need to follow is that I need to dip with color every time and then touch, dip and touch. That is the rule I need to follow. Okay. And here we go. More dots. And this is how I would make a lot of dots. You can change the color. Yes, absolutely. Yes, Anvi, I was coming to that point only. You can change the color for the next layers. Okay. I mean, when I'm making another layer, I'm using this similar orange color because I'm just trying to achieve that particular design which we tried to show in the flyer. So that is why I'm stick to the orange. If you want, you can change the color. Okay. And alrighty. So I will keep my bottle just for a minute to get this dried up. Okay. And meanwhile, I would like to see how the kids are doing. Wow, Vedant. Good. Krishnanshkar, very nice. Okay. Urbasha, good. Wow, Kanak. Yellow is looking amazing. Good, Devika. Very good. Devika has just made one stencil, but that is also a brilliant idea. Okay. Just trying to learn the basics. Good, Kanak. Keep doing it. Very good. Okay. And keep showing your, I can see Shivakya's glass also. That's nice. And all right, I think Kanak is using earbud, no? Yeah, that is also a brilliant idea. Good, Kanak. Okay. All right. I will just wait for 1 more minute to get my bottle dried up. Because for the next step, this color has to be completely dried up. Okay. So Devika, your dots are spreading because maybe your color is a bit of more watery. You need to make it viscous. See the consistency of my color. Okay. See, it is bit viscous. That is how I'm able to manage that my dot should not flow from here to there. And second thing is, do not use lot of color while making the dot. Just touch the tip and then just make a dot. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me just try and take a look at it. And okay, I'm just Devika, it is not properly visible, but just try and make your color bit on a thicker side. Okay. And Hardik, for your queries, you can ask our team. Okay. 1 second, guys. I'll just use hair dryer to proceed towards my next step. Okay. Otherwise, this design will be spoiled. I need to use the hair dryer. Just give me a moment. Okay. Okay, so here I would just try to fix the hair dryer. Don't worry if you do not have the hair dryer. You can just, wait for good 10-15 minutes. Okay, all right. I'm just taking this. I'm keeping myself on mute because this will create a lot of noise. Okay. All right. So I tried to dry this color as much as possible. Okay. And now the space here, I am going to use yellow color. Okay. And I'm going to make a lot of dots with yellow color. So again, I'm going to use this particular tip, and you can use earbud also. If you don't have this sort of tip, then Kanak use the earbud, and I think this is the brilliant idea. No, Anvi, we are going to make a design. Don't worry. Just make your dots in between here, okay? Between these two stencil, and then we will proceed towards the upper part. Here. Just dipping every time and putting dots. I am making bigger dots. If you are not having a tool or head of this size, then you can make dots of any size. But for the reference, I'm telling you that I'm using the eraser portion of my pencil. Okay. Here we go. And right after this step, I am going to gently peel off my stencil. Okay, or gently remove my stencil. Here we go. This is how I am going to make this layer. Okay. And the last. Okay. So I have made this yellow portion, yellow dots. And since Anvi has asked me that how are we going to do this upper part, so I'm without removing my stencil. Let me just quickly do this part also, so that I put my dots at least, in a similar direction. So this is how I am making more dots. And now here comes my sellotape. So once I remove my sellotape, I'll put dot in here. Okay, and quickly this step will be completed, and then I will peel off my stencil. And okay, just 2-3 more dots. Hypothetically, you need to keep the distance between the dots. Otherwise, your color, your dots can mix up. Okay, so something like this, it is looking. Okay, now I am removing the stencil. So be very gentle with your approach. I tried to dry this color, okay, but still it is wet. So be very gentle with this particular step. I am removing it. Now you see. And again. Here now. Okay. Now take a look at it. See. Isn't it right on a perfect direction? Okay, because of my sellotape, I left some dots here, and I think some dots are here. Okay, and one dot here. Okay. So again, I'm going to use a hair dryer to proceed towards the next step, guys. Okay. Do use hair dryer if you have. Otherwise, you can just watch me doing the next step. And it is also very easy. You can do it later on. Okay. Yes, and we. That is why we use to make a stencil. Okay. All right. I'm just putting myself on mute because I'm going to use hair dryer. Keep asking me questions if you have any sort of doubt. Okay. Okay. So done with a bit of drying. Okay, and now I'm going to use white color. Okay, you can use any other color of your choice. I am preferring white for now because it is the base of my bottle is black. So I'm using white color. Here we go. And even if you're using transparent bottle, you can use white color. Okay. So I'm putting dots now, right in between these two diamonds. Remember the diamonds we made? And here I'm going to break a rule. How am I going to break a rule now? I'm going to put one dot, and with the similar dip, I'm going to make other dots. 1, 2, 3. See? Again, watch carefully now. How am I going to break a rule? I'm just going to dip the this part of my pencil and 1 second. It is not properly. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So For those who don't know, why do we need to dip it all the time? To get similar size of dot. And when I don't dip it every time, then as you can see, the size of dots are gradually decreasing. Okay. So be very careful at which place you're touching. Okay. Make sure it is dried up. If it becomes messy for once, then you won't be able to rectify even after using earbud. Okay. So that's how the same thing I'm going to do here. The second layer of diamonds. I prefer to say diamonds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, again. 1 second. So 1, 2, and 3. And okay, the last portion, 1, 2, 3. I think I have covered all the portions. All right. Now the next step. I will see, Devika, just give me a moment. Let me complete this design and I will definitely take a look. Okay, and I'm going to put more white dots, right, upward and downward of this diamond here, or rather you can say head or tail, okay, of these diamonds. Now you can use any sort of design. I'm preferring to put more dots like this. You can put as many as dots and of different size or designs. Okay, that is totally up to you. So my bottle is looking something like this. Now I'm going to do just one last step to show the complexity of my work. And how will I make it more complex? How will I show that it is very complex and I have put in really hard effort in making this? So how will I do it? Suppose if I consider this particular diamond, I will use a dot of roundabout, I mean, this kind of size I'm looking for. Okay. You can use toothpick for this size. And I'm using another color, not orange. I'm using yellow color and I'm going to put dot in between this like this. Okay. And you can, I am making this dot on this particular diamond only. Later on, you will make dots on all the diamonds. Okay. So that's how you can make it more complex, or rather I would say your design will look more complex this way. Okay, that's how. All right, now take a look. And if you have more bigger dots, okay, then if you use this yellow color, you can use more fine tip and put another color on this particular dot. Okay, so that's how you can always mix and match. And later on, 1 second, I just try to show you one more thing here. On the dots that I've made from yellow color, again, I'm going to put green color in between these yellow dots like this. It will make my design more beautiful. Okay. Right now, your color is not dried up, then don't worry. Okay, just see how am I doing it, and later on you can do it. Okay. Yes, you can do it with black and white. Depends upon the color or the obviously the base color of your bottle. It totally depends upon that. You can use any color. Since the base color of my bottle is black, so Apart from black color or maybe dark blue or dark purple, I'm using all the bright colors. Okay. And same you can apply here on the white color also. I'm not putting dot on the white color because my white color is not dried up. And then on the last layer, again, you can mix and match with some other color this way. Okay. Okay. Hardik, if you are using transparent bottle, not an issue. Then you can use any color. Okay. So something like this, my bottle is looking. Okay. You can put lot of dots, but make sure it should be a little symmetrical. Okay. Try and make stencil of your design. Maybe you can use heart, you can make square or triangle. Today we use diamond shape. You can use any other shape of your choice. Maybe you can put just circles and make dots accordingly. Paste your stencil properly and do the dot design. Okay. And this portion also, you can put lot of dots, but I would like to keep it as it is because I think this much is sufficient. Okay. So I think I am done here. No problem, Hardik. Later on, you can do it on the bottle.